name is Akhilesh Kotwaliwale and I am an electronics engineer. After graduation, I worked as a physical design engineer in Bangalore for around 1.5 years. But then I realized that I was not really satisfied with whatever I was working with. So then I started to explore more fields which are aligned with my skills and ability. So then I come across a data science and DevOps. So after doing some research, I found out that uh, I'm more interested in DevOps, and along with that, I also researched about the data science, and so I decided that I should switch my field to data science and DevOps. So I was completely into electronics and communications for around 4 to 5 years, but I was not satisfied with what I was doing. So then I started researching about the latest trends and technologies like data science and DevOps. Then I met my mentor Anup sir, who was in this field for a few years. So he suggested that I should go and explore the field. So then after making research, he also suggested me that what to look for, what to expect in this field, and what are the DevOps and data science, why they are related. So after researching, I come to know that yes, this is what I want to do. So after I made my mind that I want to do DevOps, so there was two options with me, that if I do a online course or an offline course. So after I researched about the online courses, I found out that they don't provide in-depth learning and job assistance. So my friends also suggested that I should join any offline course. Then I come across Anup sir's Python Academy, and I go through all the course structures, video lectures, and what are their curriculum and what the other activities that they provide. So I found out that this is a good package to join Python Academy, and these counselors also helped me in learning more skills. The journey at Python Academy was really a good experience. I was worried that whether my decision is correct or not, but I was revealed after I was assisted with a good team of faculty and trainers. So the faculty was very good, and the knowledge they shared with us was very easy to understand. The notes and materials provided by Python Academy was very easy to understand, and also they have provided us projects and assignments after every session, which helped me to gain hands-on experience on the tools and about DevOps and data science. Then apart from that, I have also practiced from my side, that I have done some projects using Kaggle and other open source tools. So working on these projects helps me to gain skills. So after I gained skills in the Python Academy, so I got assistance from Anup sir in my job search, as they updated me about various job openings where I can choose to apply. So I have also applied from my side from Naukri and LinkedIn, but I got placed through Python Academy's placements and the openings they used to send me. Also, before interview, they used to help me for making my CV a good, and also they have provided to many of the potential interview questions, so I could prepare before the interview. So my DevOps job interview process was very easy, and in the interview they expect you should have good basic skills other than apart from jumping to the complex algorithms. So apart from the technical skills, they also focus on communication skills and how well you can present yourself up in front of the interviewer. And also hands-on practice will help you to get more confident for the interview. So it's hardly a few months I'm into this field, but all I can say that whether it is a data science, DevOps, or any other field, it is more important that you should enjoy the learning and your career path, and you should be satisfied with whatever work you do. So apart from learning process, learning theory, You should practice on sample projects, collect the datasets from open source, and it will help you to get the real world understanding.